Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Agri Science Past Question, question 30. The operation carried out after planting of crops is termed dash. A. Pre-planting operation, B. Post-planting operation, C. Planting, and D. Before planting. So we are asked to find the term which is described as the operation carried out after planting of crops. Now, like we know in agriculture, a part of agriculture is crop cultivation, that is planting of crops. Now, there are various operations that are being done on the farm even before and after this process, that is the planting process. Now, the activities that are carried out on the farm before the planting is known as the pre-planting operation. Pre-planting operation. These are activities. They are activities carried out before planting is done. Before planting is done. And these activities include what? You have the clearing of your land, the clearing, you have tillage, tilling the land, tillage, and so on. Then, after these pre-planting operations, we now go for what? We now go for planting. That is, now we've prepared the soil down. That is, the soil is now prepared for planting of the crops. Then, after planting, now the next operation is what we call the post-planting operation. We call it the post-planting operation because it is done after planting. Now, this post-planting operation simply refers to what? All activities that is done afterwards, after planting. Activities carried out after planting is known as the post-planting operation, and this include the weeding, most especially the weeding. Yes, is a post-planting operation. Now the question says the operation carried out after planting. Remember, see this word, this is the key word. After planting of crops is termed dash, and like I said, I say post-planting operations are operation carried out after planting, and that is option B. So therefore, post-planting operations are the activities or operation carried out after planting of crops. So B is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.